What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have been following our channel for a while, you know that Kim and I love our Diode Dynamics lighting products for the JL. And now it's time to add a little something to the Gladiator. It's an easy one. You've already seen us do the clear LED side markers on Mo here. Super easy install. Well, this time we're gonna do new side markers for the Gladiator, but this time, being that we got the black fenders and we're kind of doing the black and yellow theme, we decided to black them out with the smoke design. These smoked out lenses I think are gonna be the perfect accent for the sides of the Jeep, kind of get rid of this orange amber side marker, which I've always hated on American vehicles. I know it's kind of the law, but these still light up amber when they are lit, so it's not that big of a deal, and they look so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these into the Gladiator. Shouldn't take me more than about 10 minutes total. It's pretty simple. You just kind of pop out some of the inner fender liner here. You got one screw holding it in and one plug. You can see on the back, there's just one wire here. It's just a quick snap-in connector. All I'm gonna do is pop out a couple of these fender liner clips right in the front here. I believe I can get away with just removing these front two. Once I do that, I'll be able to kind of peel the liner down and gain access to where I need to get the wire out of here and get to the one bolt. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna use some of the matte CC trim removal tools. If I can get this metal one in here, I prefer this guy. All right, so I'd say from my matte CC trim removal toolkit, this longer metal one with the slight bend on the end is probably my favorite, but a lot of times you can't get the angle in there. Luckily with the lift, I've got plenty of room up in here. So, second clip out. Now I'm hoping that gives me enough here. Yeah, like I thought. That's plenty of room here to be able to reach up. And it's just a quick clip right up in here. I can do it super easy. Just one little tab, you unpop it. And then the only other tool you need besides the trim removal tool is T27 Torx. I'm going to use it with my little ratchet here. And it goes straight in from the back to the front on the light, and what happens is as you loosen it, the light will actually kind of start to come out here. And just like that, this thing kind of popped out super loose. It's not fully unscrewed yet, but it is very loose. I just gotta hold it in place. And there it is, just like that. The stock one is out. Be careful with the screw that's still in here. It's just kind of loose in there. So I like to keep my finger on it and grab the new side marker, which this is the correct one. I can't believe I actually grabbed the right one right off the bat. Just take the new wire, feed it back through the same hole it came back out of. Once that's fed in there, you can slide the new side marker in. It definitely has like a slot that it catches in, so if you noticed I was kind of struggling a little bit there, I was missing the slot. Once I got it in, I got the screw started, flip my ratchet over. And tighten it down. Now make sure, remember you're screwing into plastic in the side marker here, so you want to snug it, but you don't want to over tighten because you don't want to crack the plastic. That's it. Now I just got to take and plug in the plug right back into the spot I unplugged it from. There's really only one way it can go because it's got a snap. Super easy, just gotta put the liner back up and in here. And tuck it back up under. Grab my 2 clips. And just like that, changes the look. You can see right away now that it starts to blend in with the fender. Obviously my fenders are a little dirty right now, but gets rid of that orange. Now all you see is the clear, and then it kind of fades into black, which feels like it blends into the body, unlike this side. So let me get to this side and get this one changed out, and then we'll be all done. Try to give you a little different view on this side, the passenger side, but the 2 fender clips we're going to remove, fender liner, this one here and this one here. Super easy, like I said. Just going to grab my matte CC tool, just kind of pry it underneath there and pop them out. See if I can do this with one hand. I have no idea where that went, but I will. Oh, it's actually landed in the tire here, so that came out easy. Sometimes these do break. I stockpile these. I bought a set off of Amazon also. It's like 20 bucks or 15 bucks, and I got like 100 pieces. It's good to have because I'm always doing projects and always popping these clips out, and you never know when one's gonna break. All right, with those 2 out, then you just peel this down. Fold it out of the way a little bit. And you can see it's dusty. We've been off-roading and stuff, so. But you can see right up in here, you've got the plug. Right here, this is the one that you've got to disconnect. I can do it, just get your thumb underneath there, your nail, and pull down on the clip, and then that undoes. So that was super easy. And then the screw, not this one, you want, it's down in here. Right here is the T27. So let me grab that, and then I can pop out this light. So I got the T27 in there and just loosening it up. When it gets loose enough, the light will just kind of pop out. And there it goes. Probably just need to undo just a little more of the thread, and then it'll come right out. All right, so same thing again, just slide this out now that it's loose. Be careful not to lose the screw out of here. Grab your new one. And straighten out the wire so you can feed it through. Feed that through, get this kind of lined up in place, and once it's in the groove, it'll lock itself in. T27 again. See, I pushed too hard on the screw, so popped it out, and I dropped my light. Really need like 5 hands when you're trying to record and do these videos alone. Don't over tighten, you don't want to break the plastic. Grab the plug, make sure you line it up. with the clip. Snapped it in. Clips are back in, all back together. And that's that. Both of them are done. Doesn't get much easier than that for a pretty custom look. So let's go ahead and turn some lights on. So that's with the headlights on. You can see that they are still glowing amber. So you still get that cool glow of the amber. It really is a cool look. And this is what it looks like with just the running lights on. So you don't have the headlights. You just got the glow of the clear LED with the glow of the orange or amber. I'm really happy with that look. I knew I would be. We love the clear ones on Mo so much. They just kind of blend in. It looks good on the Mojito, but we thought with the black fenders, the smoked out look would be awesome, and it really is. Shout out to Diode Dynamics for making some cool products. They look really awesome. So I won't drag this video out any longer. We'll keep it short and sweet, but check out the smoked or the clear for your JL or your JT Gladiator from Diode Dynamics. I will put the link in the description below on where you can order those. I think they're only about 80 bucks, so definitely worth it for a cool custom look and get rid of that ugly amber color on the lights. Although I shouldn't say that. I did get yelled at in the previous video, some guy telling me that the amber wasn't ugly, but whatever, it's my opinion. I don't like the amber color. I prefer the clear and the smoked. Both look awesome. Check them out. Leave a comment below if you would put the smoked or if you would go with the clear on your JL or JT. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.